Previously on Earth Eclipsed.
I will find a way to save the Outer Worlds, to keep them in harmony with the Concord.
Benefactor Una reporting, assuming command.
Once we're able to access the memories from former citizens, we will find the cause of civil unrest.
We still haven't managed to track down Nico, or his ship, nor have we identified the ex-security officer who was with him.
Ugh, Linus.
The board's position hasn't changed. You have 1 month, not a day more.
Help me retrieve a memory.
That lunatic is still out there. It's too dangerous.
Don't be ridiculous. He can't even get onto the planet. I realize I've been going about this all wrong. I'm hooking myself up to this data vault. It was the most incredible feeling.
You accessed a memory. I knew you would.
Max, bring me to the benefactor.
Why is Max leading you?
I'm blind.
You're what?
I want Holocorp gone.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so... whoops. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little. I'm coming. Nova, wake up. It's okay. Everything is okay. You were having nightmares again.
Sorry. And you are drunk again.
I am not. I'm perfectly
comfortable?
The floor is where I want it to be.
Yeah, I see.
Guys, I have something that I think you should hear.
1 minute, Sai. You must sober up.
I must not.
I give you stim.
Don't you dare. No needles. Get that thing away from me.
Hold still. There we go.
Can't you just let a man wallow?
You guys, I have amazing news.
What is it this time, Sai? Passing meteor? Floating piece of space junk? We really need to recalibrate what you consider amazing.
I think this time you'll agree with me. Listen.
You did it! It was the most incredible feeling!
You accessed a memory! I knew you would! You're brilliant!
It's almost as if I was watching something real!
You're the greatest scientist in Concord history!
That isn't funny, Sai.
Why would it be?
I don't know what possessed your circuits to fake that recording, but you're lucky I don't toss you out of the nearest hatch.
But I didn't fake anything.
It is real. I placed a tracker on Dr. Prometh.
What are you waiting for? Sai, punch in the coordinates for the capital. Nova, make sure the pressure pistols are fully charged. Grab the remote detonators.
Nico.
First thing, we take out the Concord satellite scanners. 2 detonators per satellite ought to do it. Next, Sai, you drop us off at the capital. Take the gun gear up to cruising altitude while Nova and me, we grab our revolvers and grab the doctor. Then you swoop in and bam! We'll be in and out before they know what hit them.
Nico.
Course laid in.
Programming detonator firing pattern. We go on my order.
Yes, sir.
Nico, stop. The Concord may be used to peace, but they're not stupid. Patrol ships will be performing grid sweeps in search of the Gungnir. Security satellites will have formed a net around the planet. There is no way we will be able to get close to one of those satellites, let alone destroy them. We cannot stroll in with our blasters on our belts, so to speak. Do not let excitement eclipse your judgment.
I'm coming for you, Dr. Prometh! Hey! Hey! Put me down!
No,
What are you gonna do? Hold on to me forever?
if necessary.
Let me go!
Promise you will not touch the controls.
I said let me go!
I will not tire for hours.
All right. All right. I promise.
Good. I have simpler way. I go down to Capital, alone, no pistol.
Come on. You don't think they've revoked your clearance by now?
I am sure they think I'm sitting in the home, playing Farango, learning to knit, rotting like a good retiree.
But I called you by name. They've got to be looking for you.
Sai, you have access to Capital database, yes?
Limited access, as part of our mining license.
Search for a security officer named Nova.
Searching?
Well, how many results are there?
Still returning entries. Still returning entries. Still...
Point taken.
I will take Rana. Go down to planet. No blaster.
Heads up. They gave Dr. Prometh a security detail. 10 people, plus a benefactor. I heard it on the recording.
Interesting.
Interesting? What's interesting? Is that good? Is that bad? Can you get the doctor or not?
It is nothing. I will go.
Sai, do you ever think about how easily she could kill us if she wanted to?
Literally all the time.
Hey, you there?
You should not be transmitting.
I just wanted to see if you needed anything from us.
I do not.
And to say thanks.
It is unnecessary.
Still, thought I should say it.
You are creating a security risk. I am coming up to the Capitol.
Hello, citizen. We would love to welcome you to the Capitol, but your ship isn't registered. Please stand by while we scan your personal identification chip. We're having some trouble reading your chip. Stand by, please.
You still sure they haven't figured out who you are?
We will see.
What will they do if they have?
I do not know, but the smart thing would be to shoot me.
Identity confirmed. Our apologies for the trouble, citizen. Welcome, and enjoy your stay on the Capitol.
Looks like they didn't shoot you.
Their mistake. I will contact you when I've retrieved our cargo. Nova out.
I can't believe you're putting this on me.
If you hadn't distracted us, Dr. Prometh would never have been able to slip away from her security detail. Your actions were unacceptable, Max.
Benefactor Una, whether I helped her or not, she would have found a way. Besides, everything turned out fine.
She is not fine. If she were fine, we would not be standing outside a stem vat with Dr. Prometh inside, submerged in medical goo, getting her lacerated eyes repaired.
Okay, maybe she's not fine.
But she's not in danger.
You put her life at risk. I want an assurance it won't happen again.
With respect, Benefactor, I'm only her assistant. I take her orders, I don't give them.
Incoming message. It's from Nova.
What the hell does it mean?
It's coded. She's asking me for plans to turn her communicator into an amplifier.
Why?
You know she's not one for explanations.
Well, ask her.
Maybe we should just send her the plans?
Sigh.
Okay. She's tracked Dr. Prometh to a stem vat facility. She's inside.
Hot damn, of course she is.
But there's a problem. Dr. Prometh's security team has been expanded. It's been doubled. And the entire security force has elevated heartbeats and dilated pupils.
Shit! They've taken stems.
He explains the coded message. Since all of their senses are heightened, their hearing is so sensitive that even if she whispers, they'll hear her.
She's not taking on 20 security officers on stems. Tell her!
She says she has a plan.
No, Sigh, it's too risky. Guess that's it then. It's over.
We'll find another way.
I really thought we had it this time, Sigh. I'm tired, Sigh. What was that?
What was what?
One of your lights was flashing.
Was it? That's odd. Maybe I should run a self-diagnostic.
Don't lie to me, you heap of junk.
I may have sent her the plans. Please don't be mad.
It's not your fault. What have I done?
For the last time, if you want Dr. Prometh to listen to your orders, you're going to have to tell her yourself. Oh, I see what's happening. You want to chastise her, but you can't.
I am simply trying to ensure the doctor's safety, while also protecting the integrity of the project.
You mean you don't want to risk upsetting her by reprimanding her? Well, she's not gonna listen to me. You'll have to... Benefactor! What's happening?
Team 1, block the doors. Team 2, surround the stem vat. Team, report.
Someone's tipped over the stem vat!
What's going on? My eyes aren't finished. I still can't see.
Hang on. I have you.
What did you just put in my hands?
Clothing.
Thank you. Where are we?
Somewhere safe.
I can't believe they came after me. I owe your team an apology. And the benefactor. Are we on a ship? You're not part of the benefactor security force.
No.
Where are you taking me? I can't see. My eyes weren't finished. I can't see!
I know, Doctor. I am sorry.
Nova? Nova, is that you? Please, Nova, let me go.
It is a long trip back to the Gungnir. You should settle in.
I pledge myself as a Concord citizen to uphold the Charter and to live its ideals to the best of my ability. Article 0, humanity is great. Article 1, humanity should thrive over generations. Article 2, to thrive, we need peace and prosperity.
Settle in. Quietly. Good choice.
Dr. Prometh, glad to have you back on board.
Go drown in a stem vat.
Oh, was she this nice the whole trip?
We had a lovely journey.
I don't know why you've brought me back. You know I can't retrieve a memory.
You did it?
It was the most incredible feeling.
You accessed the memory.
Sound familiar?
All right, I can. But I won't.
Maybe I should hold her head at the hatch. Just for a second.
Threaten me all you want. I'd rather die than let my research be used for harm.
No. No threats. No violence. Doctor, I want you to understand. I had a world that I grew up in. It was a pretty nice place. It was even a Concord planet. Until it wasn't. And the Concord did what it always does. Erased it from the record. Its name, its coordinates. But there's one place they can't erase it from. My mind. It's just as vivid there as it ever was. I can hear the birds. I can smell the air. I can feel the rain. It's as real to me as the capital is to you. And if after a lifetime there, you'd been tossed out into the universe with no map back, maybe, just maybe, you'd want to go home.
You brought me here for this. Interrupted my medical treatment? The Concord only revokes a planet's membership under the most extreme circumstances. War broke out on your planet. For all you know, it's still happening.
My people were a good, hearty people. I'm hoping they've resolved their differences and rebuilt.
Maybe. But it's more likely they've destroyed themselves. Whatever state it's in, I can guarantee you, you're better off with just your memories. Now take me home. What is that? What is that sound?
The Harvest Festival is around the corner, and I am counting down the days until you arrive.
Sai, what are you doing?
I've made some of your favorite treats in anticipation.
Shut it off!
I will tell you what. You'll have to guess. I'll be waiting at the gate when you get here. It can't come soon enough.
I'm going to disassemble you and recycle you for parts!
You are my sun and moon. Sending my love across the stars.
Traitor.
That was from Nico's mother. A message she sent. A long time ago.
You didn't come out of an embryo vat. You actually knew your parents. How disgusting.
He's trying to find her. That's why he wants to go back.
How do you know she's even alive?
I don't. I've tried everything to find my way back. Searched every archive, read every record. There's only one place a map still exists. Retrieve a memory for me, and then I'll take you back to the capital. Safe and sound. I promise.
You're wasting your time.
Doctor, please. You're the only one who can help me.
Fine.
Earth, Eclipsed. Episode 4. Repair. Starring Allegra Rodriguez-Shivers, Reginald West, Christian T. Chan, Amy Linden, Michael Malconian, and Tali De Assis. Created and produced by Nicholas Proofer, AJ Churchill, and Victor Lee. Directed by Nicholas Proofer. Written by Alexa Polivka. Music and sound design by AJ Churchill and Shane Rutherford Jones. Our production interns are Eamon McCune and So Asidao. Earth Eclipsed is a production of The Lunar Company.